how to delete archived chats on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, you will find the archived option above the chat list. Tap on it to view all your archived chats on WhatsApp. If you want to delete a chat from here, then tap and hold the chat and swipe left. Then tap on More. Here, tap on Delete Chat at the end. Tap on Delete Chat again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this chat. You can repeat the same to delete other archived chats. Following these steps, you can delete archived chats on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.